I wanted to do an update on the 350Z dash mount that I'm completing for the 6.86 Holley Pro Dash and the Haltech UC10. So one of the biggest things I was working on is making sure I get the proper mounting positions for the bottom of the stock dash here. So I had 3 different iterations. This was the very first one. As part of this iteration, everything dialed up on the mount here. The issue that I had was I forgot to empty out this area here in order to fit the piece that goes on the bottom of the cluster. So this goes over your steering wheel column. This piece here bolts onto this piece. So as you can see, I got the 3D printed part, bolts in right where it needs to bolt in. Remove the material that was on the back of this here. Actually, I could show you right here in the CAD design. So on that back portion, that material that was there was all removed. And so now it bolts in like factory, and you have the 2 holes that go on the bottom here. I got the screws over here. I just haven't used it on here. But now that that portion is done, I was making sure it had a factory fit and everything is on point. So now all that's left to do is to create the holding points for the UC10 or the Holley Pro Dash 6.86. That's going to go on the dash here. And you can see the size of the stock cluster here with the 6.86, which is what I see most people running. But of course, now that they have the Haltech UC10 out, it's about same size as the stock cluster. As you can see here, trying to get it to hold. It's about the same size as a stock cluster, so it doesn't look bad at all. So I'll have this design done here later on today. My biggest thing was making sure I got the mounting points, so when you remove your 350 dash, you have the same mounting points like you do here on the bottom with this holder itself. So all those points are completed. Now it's just a matter of me finishing out this portion that I have here, and then 3D printing and fitting the dash mounts on there. But any of you 350Z guys that are interested, whether it be the Pro Dash, the 6.86, I'll even design one for the 12.3. But for the Haltech UC10, the POWERTUNE 10-inch, what is it, the 5-inch, the Haltech IC7, all those dash mount designs will be completed and up on the site. If you guys want to shoot me an email, let me know you're interested in them, and to remind you or shoot you a link once they become available on the site. You can shoot me an email. I'll put it in the description. That way you can just copy and paste it into your email and send it over to me. If any of you have any questions, concerns, let me know. But these dash mounts will be done. As far as the designs and getting them printed, they'll be done beginning this evening. Right now it's 7:53 p.m. on Cinco de Mayo, which is May 5th. And look forward to you guys' comments. Thank you for your time.